Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Bhutra's Skin India channel. In this video module, we are showing you the subcision therapy. By this subcision therapy, we correct the all type of atrophic scars. This is a patient having chickenpox scars on the forehead and cheeks, and we are just doing a subcision therapy on this patient. We have taken a simple insulin syringe, and this insulin needle is inserted at the below the scar, and the scar adhesions are broken with the help of this syringe. And once the scar adhesions are broken, the skin lifts up, and then there is the collagen resynthesis at the site of scar. So this is the procedure called subcision, and with this procedure we can correct the scars. So other than subcision therapy, we can do other lot of therapies for scar revision, but this is a very simple basic procedure, and there is no much instrumentation is required, and this is also a OPD procedure. Patient is just applied a Prelox topical anesthetic cream, asked to wait for the 15 minutes, and then we start the subcision therapy. Again, you can see in this scar the needle is pierced below the scar and adhesions are broken of the scars, and once the adhesions are broken, the skin lifts up and the scar correction starts beginning. So this is a very useful procedure, simple procedure, and can be done at the OPD level. And with this procedure, you can correct all types of atrophic scars. So this is a procedure called subcision. With other than subcision, you can also do the derma roller. You can also do the fractional needling RF treatment for the scar revision. You can also do the microdermabrasion and dermabrasion for the correction of scar. थैंक यू। ये सबसिशन स्कार थेरेपी का ट्रीटमेंट है, जिसमें स्कार्स में निडल के माध्यम से हम एडेशंस को ब्रेक करते हैं, और एक बार स्कार एडेशंस ब्रेक हो जाते हैं तो स्किन लिफ्ट हो जाती है और वहाँ पे कोलाजन सिंथेसिस होता है। तो ये बहुत ही सिंपल ऑफिस प्रोसीजर है, जिसमें स्कार्स का या कोई भी व्रण का जो एट्रोपिक स्कार है उसका करेक्शन किया जाता है। इस पेशेंट को 3 या 4 चिकनपॉक्स स्कार्स आ चुके हैं, और वो स्कार हम सबसिशन थेरेपी के माध्यम से उसे अच्छा करने जा रहे हैं। तो ये प्रोसीजर है जिसे कहते हैं सबसिशन, और इस प्रोसीजर के माध्यम से हम स्कार रिविजन थेरेपी जिसमें